are, folks. End of the day, Wednesday. We've got our about 110 sheets down as of now. We gotta bring the remainder tomorrow. Got the rat wall all dug out. Inspector came by, looked at everything, didn't say a word, so could be a good thing, could be an absolute disaster. Hard to tell. But for today, with the materials we got, that's it.
We killed it today, boys.
Yeah, baby. And we're in the little shed. Got our saw cut up, swept off. As for now, this little deal is done and dusted. Tomorrow morning, we're looking at pouring this. This will be a nice, quick, easy one. Truck can pull right up, dump in it. That's as long as the weather holds for us. Back at it. Thursday, wet day. Got the rest of the foam. A little taping, a little cutting, a little foaming. And we're out of here. Big lean-to pour tomorrow morning. We should be good to go. I don't know if you can hear me right now, because it is raining. Holy shit. Holy cow. That was rowdy.
Friday morning, everyone. We're at World Headquarters. I've got a bunch of running around and estimates to do today. So Kirk, Andy, Al, and Jason have all headed down to that pole barn job. Putting the very last of the finishing touches on the foam today, bringing back all the equipment and pouring that lean-to that we couldn't do earlier in the week due to rain. So that job will be completely wrapped up until we go down there to pour the big floor, and that's waiting on all the in-floor heat to get done in the mechanical inspection. So plan for next week is we've got a little regular concrete porch to do. We've got a wood deck to tear down and replace with a stamped patio. I've got a couple epoxy garage floors coming up. I ordered the product for those. Should be coming in first of the week. What else we got going? We've got driveways coming up, stamping coming up, epoxy coming up. So lots of things in the hopper. The channel is growing. I appreciate it. I appreciate all you guys watching and tuning in and throwing me some comments. So stay tuned, everybody. I hope you have a good weekend. We'll see how this pour goes for the boys.
You got a hand broom? That's better.
Yeah, we can get one.
Yeah, on that one.
Bada bing, bada broom. All right, Friday, May 2nd. Got the yard all flattened back out. Back blade in action. Finishing up the lean-to over there. Let that set up a little bit. Everything loaded up. Foam's in, expansion's in. Everything's taped. Moving right along. Excellent little Friday project. Okay, I'm back. Friday. Like 11-ish, maybe 11. May 2nd. Giving you guys a little closer look here, what we got going on. Filled in all of our little plumbing gaps with some expanding foam so there wouldn't be any big gaps. We'll grab that. Got the rat wall all figured. Finally, everything's taped. The foam is in. Expansion is up. Quite a little project here. Now we just wait for the plumbers.